Greetings to our wonderful viewers wherever you are. Welcome back to another edition of your favorite sports program on TV called Sport 360 Light. With me myself, Bakari Mane, aka Big Sam. As always, we are located in the little smiling coast of Africa, that is the Gambia. And our studios, we are lucky again. We are located in the West Coast region side of Gambia called Farato. Another pleasant moment, another pleasant day, and of course, another day for people in sports, wherever you are, and mostly in football. Well, today, I have the honor and privilege to welcome the guests that are coming from originally where I come from, the district or the area where I come from, that is in the Gambia, called LRR. Not only that, but Kiang East District, where my village Kianjenier is located. So once again, I have the guest today. We'll be talking about the Kiang East Football Committee. A little bit that they've been just ushered in the office, and they are on to familiarize themselves to the football fraternity of the Gambia and beyond. Not only that, but to share with you some of the projects that they have as a new committee and they want to execute it. But like I said, all the time we're here to hear them and also, empower, amplify their voice to the people out there that can do something. It's Sport 360 and I'm Big Sam. Well, on my right is Lamin Kamara, who is the vice chairman of the Kiang East Football Committee. And on my left, on my right, I beg your pardon, on the left is Lamin Kamara right here, and on my right is Lamin N. Damfa, the Secretary General. Gentlemen, we start with the chairman, that's the boss. No, let's start with the secretary, we go to the boss. Lang Mbafule Bisimila, and welcome you to Atlantic Sport 360.
Yeah, Big Sam, Baraka Baga, Baraka Baga, Once again, ben mulbe kontonna na district committee be mulbe kontonna be tendula be jayila na chairman ba mba kontonna na vice chairman be kontonna ba kewo okay andelam Lamin Damfadi mul jamal ka fanya lang Damfa secretary general of Kiang East Football Committee. Yeah,
thank you, Lang. Yes, Mr. Chairman, vice, welcome, Lamin.
Thank you, Big Sam. Alhamdulillah, Big Sam, I'm very happy to be here today. Mbe kontona baga wala nyinde ndalem Lamin Kamarati, vice chairman of Kiang East Sport Committee. So mana mulbe tangila baga mba mulbe tandula ko ya problem dina tarno jangi represent jam pour nga diamu na Kiang East la sport ko wala ya.
Abaraka Bake. So there you got it. Full house right there, the Secretary General Olebejang. Follow drong Secretary and Safo, you are a little bit closer to an IPRO. Most of the information follow before bit of Vice Chairman. Not the history, but Kiang is expressed at in office here at Ketanyadile la committee.
Kiang East niaji be kiamu dula ninne doron Gambia kono so bala bo nyoto Kenya haje ala tanyatu abitanya men kandul laftala futa dama mam futodo andum fanan ni na raji be na ndol la committee nak amam men dol nada ndol mu ñu mem ballenti bar mollel bulata mollel signol no maje so bi ala ya kem fum furata bi jang ka yitandi mol la ko nsula ko wol momenti ba bala bo nyoto sambala nyato nyamen sawarantuma kata dam fola karol
bare atol nata nyaadi le do man fo nyoto le ñu committee
ndol
AGM lang o wen la kita osifa
ndol nata just recently ko nga fo nyamen past 2 months lemu nata ndol ngana new committee form.
Okay,
in committee dom bote je ngamre wole 2 term la keje.
Okay,
if I can recall well wole 2 term la keje so ntol mang and 3 months from so je na.
Yeah, so I'll not by AGM election or something.
Yeah, by election. By election nata ni wala yeah.
Okay, ngata vice ya Lamin ifana sa domani funye auto atola committee al nata nyaadile ye AGM ko yal select nyaadile domani funye je Kiang East la football committee.
Thank you, Big Sam. Comme secretary ya fo nyame don nara nyame Kiang East kono nara nyame they vote through you avoid ne carrière fay nya pour nga na ngi represent
Okay.
pour nga ke la next 2 times pour ko ni pour do next or this time next time pour do represent no nyami pour nga tare sport nyaat le wala to le bakele la bala boto la voice de mi alan ko to le beatra pour ngi sam comme afanyam ndola kia is ndol mu sport la rena de kia Gambia kono anu Gambia kono fa ndola football lo karo fanato ndol fana dal sa fa mbako mala dal ndola ka mol min soto na talentero mol le ke na fala so this time around tol wala nam tol nara nyaaro pour ngatra ni tol nga mol min soto bon len benen na mol
bari ka tam fo ala tambe nya sanji dellam tam kilenti
4 time 4 years sorry
4 years
yeah 4 years
so yatol nafil ejem yal select satol botani satel to
ndol bota
vp domoni fonye kiang is fango niko kiang is sate jelle beji anabe nyaadi le maybe sewo de because niko kiang is football committee sign kiang is home district quality isa fonye district ko ngabe nyaadi le
okay ndol kia is ndol district ko nyami ndol district ko like sate 2 ward la beji 2 ward KF ward and Masembe ward
okay
in ward floor ban district ward so in district ko in ik ward fana sate mi sura sate tan sile wala sate kononta dal so ik district ward yo sotole so ndol bi jam saf dan kay ndol KF lam ku jeñer Kolior Masembe Jomar Jasobo Toranka Bantang Jolofen and just other village so more dolby
la photo ite france de man ko ñoo
so
la photo fana man après le fana de man ko jakko ay jeñer fola ñu fa Toranka Bantang fa Kolior dolbe je Jasobo fana bi jele ngame
ya Jasobo be jele do be jele Jasobo wol be jele kata Toranka Bantang ko me awol fo ñaawol be jele yoro julawol wol be Masembe wod la area
wol be kiang is la ko
ya wol be kiang is la kono
kan KF Madina
Madina so Torankol ma fo la tena wol verna bebe
jele no Sara adno Sara Samba Sara Babuya and Sara what so
Jirof dun kada yoro
no Jirof is not part of us
yoro jula
no Olman Trankon
Olman Tral okay all right ngamra saimbe alone Kiang East Benjamin and itulam football committee nyiti that's the map of Kiang East. So proud. We are far better than the Badibunkas. You go to Badibu, it's only bad you hear. And that, you know, Futusitology, oh no. That was crazy. These Badibu people. But lang, I mean, Chairman, Laftalali, a little bit history about Kiang East Sports Committee. Before na benu nyameng a little bit. Also, men remember no drone. Maybe lang ite I started wrong. If I say purna jiberla lom, puri fana sa history demanding. Tol simbi menu kang malbene alia form mune kama district ko nying kan kamuni mune ke demanding wrong.
Komi Kiang East Football Committee ala form ya memumendi wolen ko puru na katadam fo mba samba no la nyaato nyaadile be district mbe fengo na district fengo samba na district football mba samba la nyaato nyame andum fanan nga minu taraji men keda dodo mani na la multi no wolle ndolbe wollel kan dal mbo wollel kan ya ndolbe wollel kan wol ngamere tout tam le keji 2 times.
Well, in 8 years.
8 years.
For 4 years.
Yeah, because every 4 years they go for election.
Yeah, I remember no Dolbe Junu Janin Dodo Nyolo for Italy and the first committee of that district.
Yeah, and then we'll remember.
Ali will remember.
Yeah,
okay. So fonga barunding ol fonga la sister dingola wati bakari mane afana muntu mali dodo. So after all the natol nata. Yeah. Allah chairman fonga. What's the name again?
Yankuba Kasama.
Yankuba Timber Kayafle. Yankuba, I think I know. Okay. Well, once again, remember, is Sport 360 Live with me, myself, Big Sam. Atlantic TV, the home of TV revolution. Here with the Kiang East Football Committee. Let me go to the vice chair. Lamin. Ngalonga mamme because landing ya fonyane ko about Karisaba nyong Kabra. O Karisaba ko nale ku ke follow bang fo.
Yeah,
okay. Nata as a committee.
Kabindo nata as a committee mam fenke follow. First time ba ko le try ka mela lan ko la fa ka milke pour min sad nan la fa min na ngoso tono. But first time mam fotano pour sono la faka fra dami do follow bay ndul mu ñu executive len yan sa mol na from different background ma ñolom
al ma ñu salbe introduction
yes la faka ta pour nga connect nga ñolom anum fana mi mun na fengodi ñu ko hamena ko di fana wala ñindi ko pour na district ni pour mbasa manuno ñaato ñami nga bon from abo dami do nga bon do nga samba ñaa
samba anu lebula
ya wala
kulumbula lal be mu ngane kile wala nga bate
wala bate yo dino
bate okay sayanga na manikol ka fanya de ko tababong yokumo fa kumo ne dingo ngofa sa okay landing lam secretary lafte ya start jang which is memo fam topic ko wolam mum projet le bal bulu alafta muy tandila mulla ci bir lalu anin kiyan iskata jamara man wala be mum projet le ke kan right na fal nata jang
big sam barka bake once again no ko si len ko len ñinin ka roata kum moya ba batale waya telephone mu ko de men si jam fa kam fa yitande dunia la ka yitande dunia la na sula ko menti na xamen ko mu fen o fendi ka yitande dunia la antol science and project membe mbulu wala lafta na district wala organize la lafa district la organize la ñi soma kono di soma holiday
district sports or
district football
exactly
district football now
tournament
lafta wala organize la at this moment so nin committee member sitale nka chata me men sinka ni ka chata le so nata fo nganna budgetol beede da say budget o fele apparitale already nganna leta dono fona be mbulle be men janjanna you know pour ka démarro ñini mba na ligo ñi mba appelé no la ñame fon sa démarro surtout no mol bul ñame na budget be janne yeah
okay yes sita vice chair ngam lafte fana ñi ko mo ñi dinkandi domanding ya afanu di domanding kon lang ya fa ñame alafta district tournament le organiser kaliatara al reta menuno may kamenke alla fo me aba menu bebe district ko ne be se dagnya anse kuma bula buli fana katu jandam fodula te jandam ba fala moli alon so se bule fana manikol ko chokore ka dia wolol da
okay barka baka Mr. Mane kuma ya fo nyame na secretary ya fo nyame wala nyindi ko ma to nyala ndolla na district ko na football ko na stade no nyame ndolla ko ba ko male so la fa kana district wala ko ka expand do mandin ka ko la fa mi an ko yan sani mandar nunji ka ji bayda nga former executive minister nunji e ka ko ke ba like ndola district ko pour nga every year district to no pleno abuka keno so ndola ñu executive minna la tan ñina la pour ndola district ko every year ñanda ka play but ñaje mba play no fana la fa ka play ñu summer time kono pour ñu kam ma saje ko expenditures salo demanding ndola district ko la comme ta ka ba ko la yaje so afana ka satil affect le so one this time nga yim plan ko nimba play la nga play so ma kono ba yo kara jama ba be kiyan kono
okay
kara na mul jama ba be ji sama o kere mo school soranda
sama kono
lifo mo jama ta so ba ko ni minimize la demande ba ni mi sa fe like comba continue la ko mo dol ben nyamin ka play like around December January comme boram min kono ni meke ko mo muro ko gilen ko sare jaba ba ko financial la ka neka bako ko ko dolo soto pour kanano nyami so wad nañ this time do nga plan ko ñi soma kono jeni ba fla school lo ba jella ñende ka play la malo fo final lo bi ta play la ko la fo final lo play la jurun jana but la fa ka play la nga pour ndol fana lonko sa nga na district ko ko ba do fana bi kono nda football da mama ken na hamen ko di je dal as comme tambito sport beyond football yana sa tambito football da mala so comme dol ka mirol comme yana san ko sport football damal football be jele anen ku jama balle ba including football like rasulin anen marathon nyol comme all be plan pour que be include na this time so man na wetan woni kono yana san na time wo am pamit
okay lang isam yes ne ko somole bari ale kar jumale target nin nako chamana fanya wala ni multata li fola ka easy o mobi ka tara sate o ta manjara ye travel cost jama do mole passo jo kana ale kar jamale target nin na
ndol saindem nga karomin target na target mu this month le this June ngole target but unfortunately you know ko man nata ku so
but plan B katraje nim plan A fil
plan B katraje yon na plan B wala mu by next month
July
July either mid July to kata ala end kan ni nga soto no mba pile la ndol hani bi sax ni ngana zulata men la ni ngol soto ta ka start kay wote kila ku medendi jeni je rek mba start la le no wote mi la.
Well, there you go. It's the Sport 360, and these are these Kiang Esports football committee, let's call them. One of the main projects, this new, less than 6 months, let's say 3 months old, want to do is to follow in their predecessors, that is their guys that were there before them, to stage what we call the tournament, a football tournament. And this football tournament is targeted during the summer holidays. And no doubt about it, football in the Gambia, and in fact across the world, you need sponsors. I mean, out there are TV rights, etc. But here you need, sponsors that they're supposed to buy something. So as, like I said, the ex-committee that's passed, we are doing that. This is their first project that they want to do. We'll go back to Lang to maybe if you have some of the budgets and some of the areas you might need people to come in to sponsor, you can go ahead. Yeah. Then you can hear from you. Maybe coming chairman, maybe Marco Rongalon for football expensive talent. So ngamira Allah budget dolu any area Allah to mole intervene them to and said Manilo Jelang as the secretary.
Na main area from tata nada momendi olema na trophy mumbul problem moldi mam trophy shot at this moment trophy tembul, you know, and fanang na winners ning runners up ball, you know, even the medals science and fem mantra available in Tolbul because we are a new committee.
So trophy medals,
you know, the cash prize for runners up and winners,
that is the prize, the cash prize, yes.
Cash prize, will be mantarambul at this moment. And in organizing committee besula la menla no ka asamba nyato fa futa nyanta futa
there's a special budget
exactly,
for the organizing committee.
O mantara mo fanang mumbul problem all at this moment.
So silang nimola from Marco Rofela, since it's an open one, I know you have a budget line that you want to cover. So first of all, you are going to write letters, or if that is possible, maybe the individual need more, sort of, but the targeted amount, maybe not less sort of.
Yeah, targeted amount, you know, ni ngo soto. Mbakela le, you know, ole science and mesulari nkodo mi kapola. Ni ngo nanka mo soto. 200,000 ni nga soto. Mbapilela. Yeah, ni nga soto, you know.
So with everything inclusive 200,000 nali usoto.
Yeah, 200,000 ni nga soto. Osa cover no le fa. Babile cover la fa. Inshallah, yeah.
So but individually for us chip in whatever they have to.
Exactly, you know.
Yeah.
Even nimme medal soto, ite ya samanan. Nimme trophy soto, ya samanan. Even $10 nimme soto. It's okay, you know.
It's okay. Chairman ngamre fana nyumu la kuma balti fana se kama la faji.
Exactly. Ngo afanya mu wala ntol ban nidirim to bukan to mako rodam ban nidire wala. Comme ara nyama comme around tourner do xamim fa tourner do ko ninga soto ba cool start la ba hani min tambi taw ram ba start la yana sa dolla dirin ku min na wala nyindi ko pour sanna tolmino pleno nyami ko dolla tolmino comme yana sanna ko min ba balano ka play wala kodote kododa mal ba balno ka play anin comme nga mil fejane material men nyita min na ni mol do soto oda marsa balno man tolmino pleno ba ndol kabin kanana as new executive ndol man fendara na former Fenkol blog on. I mean, the blog on our down to our battle. So
that's come here for you. Sorry about it, but it's just like funny.
Molla faka nyo sabanko nin ko manyo sabaka manyolo jungola groupe nyo fo notin so ndala nyaro nzaminki na wala nga porsi dra nga tra sa ndol ba plan min lanon sa minaki nga na atna noita no gondol man penda min traje like ni ngo fo pang like
hani kana ko
because body ngol ba traje
no ndey be jellanda malti malen
but anyway I think it should be another form, but like I said, seriously, this new sports committee have an aims and objective, and like I said, the first project is to stage this tournament. They need help, and then you out there, anything that you could, especially us from LRR, and you know, more or less, especially those from Kiang East. We normally call that area Malung Kunda. ni momu bota malon kunna dukare no ngani mago lang project is one of the most important but inata tv to jang ani chairman ani bita radio to muning kuma party or one of the main important thing you left of mun for muli regarding your committee especially this
science dem kukuma membe mbulu ulum nanyim project science atle mu main thing di follow yeah science atle mu main thing di follow membe mbulu at this moment you know bari laftale ka tambindi fonanna ninga fanko soto laftale nga tambindi wala you know kandung komi vice ya fo nyamen mbe la fila marathon nin kuwol ci marathon kelale like rasulin fanan laftol be include la kuwol kono le ning atara nyin don takuta
commencer ro wala ko
commencer ro lem problème modi ba ninga ko ngalo ne labandu la wata kala problème modi bari ko niya dati le wato modi kaya aje nyaato komi ibe la firin ku la dal you know
okay
yeah
ba ni lo te imo inflation
ata
ku jama be kay
taraje
chairman maybe fana muning la most important message left to mention regarding the learning project and future projects.
Yeah, comme wala ñinde ndol the most important thing jam ndol la famille na wala ñinde ko tol meno ba play no la ñame fess ni ngo soto ba duna ko la kono anu fana o be ko la comme ndol mine fa mun na ko le aku bunda ba te no wala ndol la football la area to yana sananga ko mi anan ndol wulta dal lo me kan même fight pour nga dunga kono wala ñindi ko ndol nka mol soto lo milan ko ka place ka nka ke kuma no kom dingul la yana san wala na bro sol la bon dol be kam benefit ba ñin this time around dol la fa na fawol fam fran ni yaran kan dol ta pour a fond ay stand dol fond block on dol fond o benefit ala comme la comme res ñaf ñam marathon comme marathon wala ni nan comme maybe mar nga fa na boro pour sa boro fa na include no ñin tol meno ko no ñami ñing ani ñi borengol bay wala fene de miyan ko res la na culture la miyan ko molter ka akelo non before yanza so ni mol interest ni ke murundo ko si wado kon o sa mol tanke no da ke hakilo murunda asa modlo fna interest no la fna bayal mobi manke ko mobi football lo valti ba dol be je wala ni la fay bunda do fa fay bunda do so e ko pri ba kel no wala nyam pon nga mobi include no nyame mobi participate so wala munna nga nioti ni ko ni kono ya wala munna take to
all right ngamira mbela moy nyola gambia ning beyond Kiang Sports Committee, Football Committee ni la force project menka district sports ni organize ko ya fale nyame mandangola ni ibota auto fana ku jamal be kol kono ko sakonna community kono nyobari ngo sembo soto jele ani nyi mbala mo ko mi alo itul sa stage no bar ko la dati folo wolon kodi so ko ya fanya men we expect everybody ngal be dani momo semen keno jon drong so that ning sport committee ifana sa fo ntul kapirim beji ngani neke yalla wo tubabal ka fa me legacy so ngamira wo keta kuma bati once again is the Sport 360 lad with me myself Big Sam. Basically we don't have much for you today, only to go back to my guys before we wrap up this sports today. We start with Lamin and Damfa Lamin, Secretary General. Madikol ko di iben ni munibulala. Yalo mukala fika ko kumala bang kumala ma wuji billahi mina setane.
Mubukala fula, kay mubukala fula.
Iben ni munibulala bi nyim programme oto.
Big Sam to kay foke tentu ke jay no ila kata ko mi yalon koy bakang ila Atlantic TV staff soul be mobe nimbara le be afala ala baraka bake alama alla TV alma ale asamba nyato ila or mo sablo saying na committee member mbe yamar ndindi lawol fanana ko se nyomuta comme be mo kilingoldi bari mbe xamen ko mendi wala nyindi ko pour na kata dam fu fannala mbasa manola nyato nyamen na tundo kanje nimboro to fana ngambe di maro nyin la mobe bulu sakora na molu fangol men botam fangol dadulal bari kata dam fo be nyamen sayending ni yefen dunga kunna ni misati bari sayen dunia bebe nsafo dunia fango be ka dubol do say hani tuwa boli ya fango be ka dubol do so di maro mba nyin la fanna be dula be ni ngasoto kabuna anywhere
ba nomba beje o labe je ni mel lafta
nomba
ba kala nyaadi
ni mel lafta ku fanal lon na ko do kende ke men tambita ngay min sada ten isen nombal kumandi you have 2350264 2350264 You have 3548421, 3548421. It's all command.
It's all command.
Update dealer.
Lam, VP, mfelen nata program wala bana ngamre fana kusote be molni membulala anim fana nimmel lafta makolo ko la inalbe nyomo la nyame.
Okay, miksa baraka baga nyete du nge jay ila kata kola. Kabirin lumin na ngayon ko start ka pa ibang fe all the time and ya try by all men pro yayin ko make ngayon kino ngayon so no nga sida nga pantan dunia mo la nga lon ko ya lon ko ina mun to la problemo nga na problemo senka nga tandila fo mul bota akalamta ya so wala nyindi ko mbame kuma kilinda so wala fo no jandal wala nyin tol dal comme nga nya secrétaire ya fo nyamen tol nita minna wala jandi ko yana san comme mako rosa sotno nyaaw nyaama anu bunda sam makoy no mbala firi ñi nako isam makoy no ñaaw rek ya makoy ndol kas o kain son dol banitira beral ndol comme ko kurundir rek min sa nan la fa minna mo sotono so wala mo nanga niot dal ko ñen kono ya
ci français mo remind comme ni mel la faro ke la be mun ibal jela mi tolo be nombal contact la ñande
ya secretary o number kilo wala fa
number
kilo wala ya be number kilo la sa because
badi Allah committee la secretariat be min tole jenyer lam fo ko lam formation belum
jenyer writing
jenyer okay so anybody momo jenyer ko jedong you can definitely well ala baraka bake of course I have double Lamin here Lamin the VP and Lamin the secretary thanks for coming and of course that ends the Sport 360 Live for today and it's all about the Kiang East football district committee who are having their first or planning their first project, which is a district tournament, and they badly need help wherever you are. The scheduled date was this June, but now it's pushed to July so that we can come together, and that will be the first project. The outcome will determine how far they want to go, so please be there. And on that note, big thanks to my camera people here, the guys Kumba Job, Kumbis, Aminata Sisengari, and of course Aliu Badra Baromnya Atibota Soto Koile, you know. And of course my favorite cameraman Edu, big up yourself, and the studio engineer the head Mataro Njaga Samba. Thank you so much guys. From me Big Sam, keep on sporting.